who are may name na Magdalene. So, hindi ko pa nasa-search kung sino to, no? So, maybe this is really a strong person, no? A feminine, but then really strong, no? So, kumaga, you are this, no? Na siguro hindi mo nare-recognize yung sarili mo, Libra, no? But then, sinasabi dito ng inner self mo na talagang you are this na very strong personality, character, no? Siguro nakikita rin to ng ibang tao, no? But then ikaw mismo parang you are feeling na hindi naman ikaw ganito ka, ano? But then this is you, no? So ito yung nakikita sa iyo ng inner self, no? And ng mga tao sa paligid mo, no, Libra, no? Na napakalakas mong tao, no? Something like that, na you are this na parang hindi nila akalain na ikaw pala, na ikaw to, na kaya mong gawin to. Yung parang ganun, no? So, hindi mo nare-recognize yun sa sarili mo, no? Instead, yung ibang tao nare-recognize yun na napakalakas mong tao. You are this na parang, wow, no? Parang ganun, no? Mapapawaw sa'yo yung mga tao na, wow, nagawa ni Libra yun, no? Something like that, no? So, you are that, no? So, tignan naman natin anong message or advice for you ni universe, no, mga Libra natin, no? So, yeah, message or advice for you, Libra, from universe, right? No? So, what is the message or advice for you, Libra? So, kuha tayo ng 1 card for Libra. So, know your worth, no? So, sinasabi dito, Libra, no, know your worth, no? So, kumbaga baka may mga nananamantala sa yung tao, and that's why hindi mo nakikita, no? Kumbaga meron dito, no? Kung makikita mo, golden, no? So, pera, no? Kumbaga parang for some of you, Libra, no? Kumbaga nasasamantala ka ng ibang tao, no? Mga Libra natin dyan. So, kumbaga ikaw to, no? So, you know your worth, no? Because you are so unique, no? Something like that, kung makikita mo, no? Kumbaga, parang, ikaw tong, ang nakikita ko rito, parang, ikaw yung, yung peacock ba yun? Yung parang ganito, no? But then, because you are unique, ibang klaseng peacock ka, right? No? So, you are rare, no? Something like that, no? So, you know your worth because you are not somebody, no? You are somebody, no? You are just nobody, but you are somebody, no? Something like that ng mga Libra natin, no? So, know your worth, no? So, sinasabi sa'yo dito